I've been working on a Stellar SDK that's multi-platform, so that it runs on web and desktop or mobile. And I've got something. Well, I've got a version that works pretty well, and I wanted to show it off. So I've basically made a sample application that has some shared logic that runs on desktop and on web, and basically uh, the two applications share the logic, but they have separate UIs. And this is just like a basic application. You can click fund account and it'll fund account at the top. Um, and then I'll just send myself some money, and then it'll show the transaction response. Um, yes. And so essentially you have like kind of like a this shared logic. I just made a class called Stellar Stuff that holds a reference to a server. It has a few functions. It has a key pair. Um, so basically, you can fund an account, you can load, you can update the balance, and then um, it receives it every time it receives a new event pertaining to an account. It updates the balance, and then there's a function example send um, that uh, sends 10 XLM to somebody, um, and then so there's the web version and the um, desktop version, or the desktop and web UIs, and basically they're similar, but they're still different. So for example, um, the buttons on web are a bit different than the buttons on um, on desktop, but all in all, it's pretty similar. And you can basically run the same, I guess, logic on web, desktop, and it should work on Android as well. Um, it should work on iOS as well. Um, so yeah.